Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out these marker flags. So we're going to go ahead and actually open them up and then show you guys what they look like in the field. Alright, so this is what they look like. So they are a metal stake and almost like a vinyl rubber flag. Alright, let's go ahead and show you guys how they look. So I'm going to use one to mark our area here. So let's see. So we're just gonna mark our post right here. That way I don't accidentally hit it as we're mowing and as the grass gets higher. And two more over there. And over in here, we have these stakes are more in the ground, so they're harder to see. Well, not anymore.